Swing, level 1.
Maddie, Peter.
This is the 6th count month. This is our last one. This is World Lindy Hop Day, everybody. Also Memorial Day this year. And it's Frankie Manning's birthday. So if you haven't Googled Frankie Manning, go check him out a little bit. Treat yourself to a little interview or something. A very charismatic person and the most important kind of dancer for our whole behind scene for sure. Pass this down to us. We gotta be thankful for that. We did just simple stuff here. Just trying to send out and coming back. And then we try a send out. When you come back, and just turn a little bit. We're just trying to get that thing to flow. We talked a lot about frame, but we just said, hey, you gotta have a little feeling here, so it's not bleh, it's not here super tight. It's this, and then as we get further away, we reach our own maximum build-up point. It should be like a rubber band stretching. From there, followers, you might take a small rock step or a big one, who knows, depending on the space you have. The leaders might pull you in, you just gotta deal with it. So they great with that, and then we talk about this little turn. Just rock, step, triple step, woo! On this one, the footwork is the exact same, even though you're spinning. And I found that if followers did this one time, woo! It kind of helped.
Followers are trying to go each direction until we're redirected the other way. Don't stop yourself.
Yeah, so when we do that,